Hello everyone, Sing camping again, same woods. The only difference is we're camping at a new location in the woods. We've got some brand new gear, got some mattresses and all that. It's a very warm day outside, it's about 25 degrees outside. So it's really warm outside. As you can see, that's the woods just up there. And I'll update you guys soon when we found the spot new to camp at. So as you can see, it's very windy as the tent is becoming really difficult to set up because the wind's blowing in from that direction. Me and Dovecot's just trying to get the tent up. We came back to the original location as the first video because we're carrying really heavy gear, and it just might make sense to come back. And it's really, all we have to do is exit from down there, and tomorrow morning, 5-minute walk. So I'll update you guys soon when we hopefully eventually get this tent up. So as you can see, we've just set the tent up right now. Took like half an hour just because of obviously the winds and all that. But we checked the forecast for later. It's supposed to get extremely windy at night around 11ish. So yeah, it's the same spot as me and Dovecot's camped the first time in the 2 red tents. It's just a good location, very open, and obviously that ditch is down there, but that's nothing to worry about. So I'll update you guys soon when we've probably got dinner on. So as you can see, me and Dovecot are just having pasta. We're just going to share it between us because we've got quite a lot. So we'll just have some pasta between us. The wind's calmed down quite a lot since last time I updated you. But yeah, as I said earlier, it's supposed to get really windy later on tonight. But that's not our concern now. So me and Dovecot's just going to share this pasta. Then after that we'll update you guys when we're probably going to explore further into the woods. And yeah, I'll update you guys in a bit when we've ate this. So I don't know if you guys can see, but we're currently just beside a trail. The trail's just right along there. We've encountered a few dog walkers and just people on bikes just on the trail going past. It's been quite a lot of people actually, considering it's on a Sunday. But it should be nothing to be concerned about at all. I was just showing you that guys that because we're right next to a trail, and it's very sunny outside. So I'll update you guys in a bit when me and Dovecot's are gonna go for a walk. So as you can see, me and Dovecot are currently trying to make a fire pit. So we can have a fire very shortly, later tonight. We're just gathering some stones so obviously it goes around the fire pit for later. I'll update you guys if we get a fire going. So as you can see, we eventually found rocks. Dovecot's right there. There's a lot of dead wood around us. So we're just going to pick up some dead wood and hopefully get a fire going very shortly. So as you can see, we got a fire going. We're just going to try and keep it going with all the wood here. But currently we got it going, so that's good. Dovecote's just keeping it up. So that's good. I'll update you guys very shortly. So as you can see, we're just chilling in the tent, and I've got a Steve Wall step 2, got a Strombo dark fruit cider, very nice. We're just enjoying the sunset here. As you can see, it's a bit back there, but yeah, we're just enjoying the view and just enjoying the sunset. So I'll see you in a bit. So as you can see, the sun's setting. We've just been chilling in the tent, finished that step 2, which is really good. Not a lot else is going to happen from this point on, so I'll probably update you when we're heading to bed. So yeah. So as you can see, it's night time. We're in the tent. Me and Dovecotes are just lying down. Nothing really interesting going to happen from this point on, so we're probably just going to hunker down. So yeah, we'll update you guys in the morning when we wake up. So as you can see, it's morning time. It's about 7:30 in the morning. Just woke up. Dovecotes are still sleeping. It was very windy last night. The winds did come. Very, very windy. It was also very cold as well, but it's quite warm in this bit of the tent, so it wasn't that bad. But overall, decent sleep. I'm just going to get up now, help Dovecotes pack everything away, and I'll update you when we pack everything up. So as you can see, back in the tent, we're just packing everything up. Bag, getting everything, just Dovecotes' bag. Nothing really else is going to happen from this point on. This is going to be the end of the video. That spider up there. So that'll be the end of the video. I'll see you in the next one.